So several years ago, there was a simcha in the family. And God gave me the inspiration. You know, my father, Alav Shalom, more than anything else, gave his kids the gift of music. Meaning, every Shabbos, Friday night, Shabbos day, Yom Tov, he had his Zmiros that he would sing. Whether he was exhausted, whether he was tired, whether he was not feeling well, his Zmiros was sung without fail. And again, we are a Chabad family, but my father would sing Lubavitcher songs. So the neighbors would come to listen, because it was very unusual. A Chabad family in Crown Heights singing these long Zmiros with Kol Mekadesh and Baruch Kel Elyon, which Chabad doesn't sing. So we had a nice audience come and listen to our Zmiros. So before that particular simcha, I don't know who gave me the idea, or it was just an inspiration. We decided, let's take my brothers, my nephews, my children, let's go into the studio, let's record Abba songs. Let's record Zmiros and give it out at the simcha, as people will get a present to take home, listen to in the car, my father's Zmiros. And thank God we pulled it off. My brothers, a couple of brothers who live here, and some nephews, and my kids who were younger then, and had sweet voices before the voices changed. We labored. We went into the studio several days a week, and we knocked it out. I think we have 13 songs on the CD. But it was only given out at these family events. Never went public with it, but somehow these little round cassette, these CDs, they get around. And I've heard from people who somehow got a hold of it, who are not at the simcha, but somehow they have it. And again, it's heartwarming. It's just how we sang at it. No music. It's all a cappella. And it's a taste of how Shabbos sounded in our home back in the day, with my father leading the Zmiros. My Zayda would also come and sing with us. So my family, Kinahara, is widespread all around the world, with many children, nephews, and nieces and nephews, and grandchildren all over the world who are singing the Zmiros. So if you stop off in Kansas City, in my brother's home, you'll hear him singing these Zmiros Friday night and Shabbos at his Shabbos table. You'll go to Tzfas in Israel, at my brother's home, you're going to hear my father's Zmiros being sung in Tzfas. And then their children are singing it to their children. And the chain just keeps growing of my father's songs being sung around the world. So it's a very wonderful, heartwarming feeling. And I'm glad I kept it alive. And I'm tempted to do a volume 2. We still have a few songs of my father that I have not recorded. Most of the songs that my Zayda, I guess, had the job, he took a Lubavitcher melody and he put the words of the Zmiros to it, and it fits like a glove. So for instance, Lubavitcher has a very famous song, Kel Odin. Ta 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 da, tum tum ta da da. Kel Odin, right? But we sing it to Baruch Kel Elyon. Baruch Kel Elyon, asher nosan menichu, lenafshayni fideyoy, misheis vanechu. Vidroish letziyoy, nir haniduchu, etc., etc. And it's just wonderful to sit by the Shabbos table, and the kids know if I will forget or I'll be late, my kids will say, we didn't sing Kol Mekadesh yet, or we didn't sing Baruch Kel Elyon yet, you know. So it's just beautiful. So there's no words to thank my Zayda and my father, who have given us this eternal gift. He taught us some songs. I'm not sure if he knew what would happen. Whether he did or he didn't, not the point, but it's just an eternal gift where you can connect by singing the songs that they taught you. I think it's important for every parent to teach their children the songs of their youth, songs that they loved. And this way maybe they can, start a chain. The kids will sing it at their Shabbos table and so on. So I am forever grateful that we have this gift of music from my father and my Zayda.